Hello friends and welcome to the new video. In this video we will be seeing how to make a smart car or Wi-Fi controlled car with Node MCU and a blynk IoT application. So we will start with making a new project. Our project name will be smart car. The device will be Node MCU and Wi-Fi. Create. Now we will be adding 4 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 buttons, and we have to just align it as you want. And for the left, so this button will be left, forward, and it will be on pin number D0. This will be right forward. This will be pin D2, D1. Yeah, I will change the D0 pin to D1 and D1 pin to D2. Sorry for that. And this will be left backward. This will be pin D3. And this will be pin right backward. This will be pin D4. D3. So yeah, this is finished. This configuration is finished. Now the hot token has been sent to your email, so you can copy the hot token and place it on your code. Now one button will control the rotation of left motor, right? Left forward motor, forward direction, and this D3 button will control the left motor's backward direction, and D2 button will control right motor's forward direction, and the D4 button will control the right motor's backward direction. So we will jump to the code now. Now after completing the blynk setup, now we will go to Arduino. Now we have to go to files, examples. You have to download this blynk library, blynk, and board's Wi-Fi, and this node MCU. This is the code you have to upload to the node MCU. Only this much part. Paste your auth token here, which has been sent to your email, your network name, your password, and just this much you have to do to get started. Now we will go towards our schematic. So yeah, this is the base model of our project. So we are using simple motor chassis which you can buy on Amazon, and battery case. We are using 4 AA batteries, 1.5 volts. Duracell, I would recommend using Duracell batteries because they last long. Other batteries they don't uh, are so much powerful. So we are using a L29 3D motor driver. This is the edge bridge motor driver and the node MCU. So what we have to do is we have to connect the inputs of the motor driver to the node MCU and power the motor driver by putting the uh, VIN pin, the white wire, to the 5 volt output, and the orange wire, which is the ground pin, to the middle port, the ground one, to the of the motor driver, so it can also give the power supply to the node MCU. You should check how much power supply your node MCU takes. My node MCU takes up to um, 12 volts of can handle up to 12 volts of power, but some only take up to 3.5 volts or 5 volts, so you have to check that before plugging it into the power. So our project is almost finished now. After the code completion, uh, we can start our project. So if you want, you can use a 9 volt batteries, but will recommend using a Duracell battery because they are good enough for these kind of projects and they last long also.